Croatian second engineer, third engineer, Roro, Italian flag, net 7,000, 4,800 respectively, and to embark 1,111. Therefore, please, Croatian officers, there are today 14,291 officers in Croatia. Now, we brought the ships to your backyard. These ships are Italian flag, they trade from Roro's Italian flag, net 7,000 the second engineer, 4,800 is the third engineer. Not English required because it's Italian language. And it is 13,000 tons the Roros and 67,000 tons Roros. Okay, we also have ETOs 5,000, but we told the owner it is too low, ETO 5,000 net. Anyways, these ships are really very close to you. In Croatia, you can walk to the ships and walk back home. So we put these ships very close to you. ESG, corporate social responsibility. Please, Croatian government, push this training of Italian language, because Italian flag, I think, is one of the few successful stories today. France wants to grow. Spain is really down in the Marianas, 6,000 below the Pacific Ocean, and so there's many European flags trying, but Italy, it seems that they're keeping it. So it is a huge possibility for the Croatian officers to have these jobs, not English required. Apply urgently. Crew inspector, like, subscribe, pass throughout Croatia. This is the video number 1111 just for you, dear Croatian engineer, and I'm sure very soon we'll start with the rest of the deck officers. But at the moment we are starting only in the engine. As you know, since the ships had engines, we had an issue there. So please apply urgently so we can grow and expand our mutual collaboration, because ships are 13,000 tons, 67, and close to your country, so you can be close to your family, and we need our family to grow big way with Italian flag, because Italy, grazie, Italy, Italian flag now is doing very good indeed, and we should be proud and help them. Yes, because it seems that we are Europeans. Thank you, bye.